Currently, investing in Indian sugar sector is an opportunity in adversity. Government support has placed sugarcane farmers in a sweet spot. Minimum support price MSP for sugar and high ethanol prices fixed to benefit players in this sector. Incentives for distillery capacity expansion to boost growth prospects of the companies. We can expect strong cash flow for at least 2 to 3 years for well managed sugar companies. In this video, an overview of sugar sector in India will be presented. 7 growth stocks from the sugar sector having revenue segments like ethanol, specialty sugars, etc. Strong or improving fundamentals, strong management team. We will also see top 3 undervalued stocks. And at the end, we will discuss a strategy on how to allocate funds for investment in this sector. I'm Dr. Krish. Welcome to our channel Krishdom Investor. Here you get timely, quality and unbiased opinion on the stocks and investment opportunities. Raw sugar production process from sugarcane is shown here. Please pause and examine. The key output products in this process are bagasse, raw sugar and molasses. For example, 1000 kg of crushing sugarcane can produce 100 kg of sugar, 300 kg of bagasse, 45 kg of molasses and 30 kg of pressed mud. Here sugarcane used to ethanol, bagasse used for power generation, molasses for alcohol production and pressed mud in biofertilizers. Let's check the data. In last couple of years, sugar production is high in Uttar Pradesh. Crop yield is high in Tamil Nadu followed by Karnataka. Production capacity topped by UP followed by Maharashtra. Increasing sugarcane price in past 10 years can be seen here. Long-term global sugar prices trend is shown here. If we closely observe, the last sugar rally from the year 2015 to 2018 happened when the global sugar price had a short rally and bottomed out. More steam is left since global pandemic is an added advantage to this sector as well. Sugar exports from India are increasing with almost zero imports, a very positive sign. It is expected that sugar inventories will remain at elevated levels. Fuel ethanol requirement to jump with ethanol blended petrol EBP program launched by Government of India. We have seen ethanol prices hike year after year. Data shows that there is a 15x jump in ethanol volumes. Fuel ethanol has surpassed the industrial and portable alcohol segments. Rising mix of fuel ethanol for automobiles is pretty evident. Strong growth in distillery capacity at 17% CAGR. Hence, all the segments of sugar sector are in focus now. We have shortlisted 7 stocks from this sector which can deliver multi-bagger returns in the coming 3 years. Let's move to the stock number 1. The company name is Awadh Sugars. Awadh Sugar and Energy is primarily engaged in the business of manufacture and sale of sugar and its byproducts such as molasses, baggage and pressed mud, spirits including ethanol. The current market price is at Rs 227.25 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 10%. Market cap at 454.9 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 244.5 and Rs 117.7 respectively. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are rising net cash flow and cash from operating activity, reduced debt, increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters, 30-day simple moving average crossing over 200-day simple moving average. Stock with low PE, RSI indicating price strength, stocks near 52-week high with significant volume. Negatives are growing cost year on year for long-term projects, active expansions and top line yet to reflect. Decline in quarterly net profit with falling profit margin year on year. Let's move to stock number 2. The company name is Dhampur Sugar Mills. Dhampur Sugar Mills is one of the leading integrated sugarcane processing companies in India. It has expanded its portfolio beyond sugar to include fuel ethanol, alcohol, extra neutral alcohol, alcohol-based chemicals and biofertilizers. The current market price is at Rs 210.15 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 55.4%. Market cap at 1395 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 215 and Rs 86 respectively. The positives for this company are growth in net profit with increasing profit margin on quarter-on-quarter basis, FIIs increasing their shareholding, Fixed assets are higher than their market cap. Negative is high promoter stock pledges. Let's move to stock number 3. The company name is Mawana Sugar. Mawana Sugars is engaged in the business of manufacturing and marketing sugar, ethanol and cogeneration of power. Major revenue up to 85% is from the sugar and ethanol segments. The current market price is at Rs 39 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 8.5%. Market cap at 152.6 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 44 and Rs 20 respectively. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are stock is trading at 0.58 times its book value. Company is expected to give good results owing to recent debt settlements and healthy order book. RSI indicating price strength. No major negatives. However, company has a low return on equity of 3.88% for last 3 years. Let's move to stock number 4. The company name is Magadh Sugar and Energy Limited. Magadh Sugar and Energy is primarily engaged in the manufacture and sale of sugar and its byproducts. It generates annual revenue of 110 crores from ethanol production. The current market price is at Rs 127.8 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 21.9%. Market cap at 180 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 145 and Rs 67 respectively. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are strong annual EPS growth, return on equity, return on assets and return on capital employed improving since last 2 years. High dividends with raising dividend yields over last 5 years. Negative is growing costs year on year for long-term projects. Company is always in some form of expanding mode. Let's move to stock number 5. The company name is Simbroli Sugar. Simbroli Sugars is engaged in sugar refining, specialty sugars and ethanol production. It generates annual revenues of around 350 crores from ethanol production. The current market price is at Rs 8.2 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is minus 23.8%. Market cap at 33.8 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 9.4 and Rs 4.8 respectively. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are raising net cash flow and cash from operating activity, improvement in net profits, operating profit margin and revenues in the most recent quarter. RSI indicating price strength, high volume and high gains. Negatives are high promoter stock pledges. Company's cost of borrowing seems high. Let's move to stock number 6. The company name is EID Parry. It is engaged in the business of sugar, specialty sugars and nutraceuticals. The current market price is at Rs 330.5 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 70.6%. Market cap at 5,853 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 371 and Rs 138 respectively. The positives for this company are FIS and mutual funds increased their shareholdings. Strong annual EPS growth. Book value per share improving for last 2 years. Company has reduced debt. Negative is promoter decreasing their shareholding. Let's move to stock number 7. The company name is Balrampur Chini. Balrampur Chini Mills Limited is one of the largest integrated sugar companies in India. The lead businesses of the company comprise distillery, operations and cogeneration of power. 80% revenue is from the sugar segment. The current market price is at Rs 266 and a 1-year return versus Nifty is 109.7%. Market cap at 5,586 crores. 52 weeks high and low are Rs 278 and Rs 82 respectively. Please pause and examine the rest of the parameters. The positives for this company are this is a consistent high return stock over 5 years in the Nifty 500 category. Company with zero promoter pledge. RSI indicating price strength. Affordable Nifty 500 stocks with high return on equity and momentum. Company is almost debt free. Negative is fall in quarterly revenue and net profit year on year. 1-year returns of these stocks with reference to the BSE index is presented here. Simbroli Sugars is the underperformer and all others performed well for last 1 year. Let's see an investment strategy based on past CAGR numbers. Please remember that the past performance cannot guarantee future returns. However, I have normalized the CAGR with the equity capital dilution over the horizon to some of the stocks to capture the price moves. The best CAGR numbers over a 3 years time window are as shown. Mawana Sugars has the best and the worst is Simbroli Sugars. Consider that you want to invest 1 lakh rupees spread across all these stocks, then the allocation should look like this. Mawana will get major allocation followed by Awadh and Dhampur Sugars. Please pause the video and examine. These projections are for aggressive investors who expects high returns. With such projections, your returns will be more than FDs and up to 6 times can be expected. Please do let me know in the comment section your opinion on these stocks. Will they turn out to be multi-baggers? I will post some additional points on entry and exit on my members only wall. Please click the join button and enroll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel by hitting the bell icon. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your investments.